Hello traders, Bariki speaking from Trading Africa, and today I'm here to talk about some few mistakes, especially 10 bigger mistakes which we make as Forex traders. And this goes for beginners, advanced, and sometimes we have pro traders doing the same mistakes. And sometimes, and that's why most of the time people say Forex is a scam business. Sometimes we have some claim, people say it's only 1% making out of the Forex industry. We have the claims for people saying 90% of people losing money, a lot of them losing money. Why are they losing money? Forex is a mind game. You have to know that Forex is a part, is far beyond technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and so forth. It's a game. You have to realize from today that your biggest enemy in trading is yourself. It's your first enemy. It's yourself. So find the best way to make your mind your best friend, and it will show you a lot of profit sitting on charts. And that's why professional traders always believe they make money out of novice traders. So before you fall to that trap, you better know, we better share some few tips on what are the most trading mistakes which we make. And the good thing is we came through, we went through the same path. We play rough and we lose a lot of money. We find ourselves giving up, you know. We stay motivated, we learn, we invested, we've lost a lot of money until we are standing here to share the experience with others. Because you have to know that knowledge comes from learning, but the experience comes from living. So living the lifestyle, trading lifestyle is what gives you experience. And you learn what to watch on the market, because Forex market is the same market for many, for many years. Charts are the same sometimes. Charts are the same. The difference is our mind, tricking us. Depend on which kind of information we are retrieving is what creates us losing in this game. So, the game, someone will have to win and someone have to lose. So without spending a lot of your time, let's go directly to mistakes number one. Mistakes number one is get quick rich scheme mentality. A lot of people think like in Forex, it just takes 2 days, weeks, a month to get to where you want. A lot of people look charts moving. Okay, it's just the value price moving. Others are getting rich, others are getting slaughtered in the market. So you have to know that it's not a get quick rich scheme. You have to know business, Forex is a business, and any business needs time. You need to invest time, you need to invest capital, and you need the right environment to do any business. So if you combine those things, you may find yourself having the different perspective on your trading career, because no any business which will start within just a year, it's where it's clicking around maybe millions customers or whatsoever. Try to compare with other big companies, and try to learn how many years do they have in their business. So you have to know that Forex is not a get quick rich scheme. A lot of people preaching, a lot of people selling ideas, selling the holy trade strategies. We have a lot of people making a lot of propaganda online. Guys, stay awake. We have a lot of trading scammers, a lot of people, because of their ignorance and they are greedy for money. They have lost a lot of money. They have lost their fortune because of having greed and think like that they can make money overnight. If someone will come to you and say, okay, I can make 10,000 USD a week, why are they looking for your 100 USD just for teaching? for sharing the strategy. Why don't they make for themselves, and then we can see them on Billboard chart, or we can see them on Forbes. Guys, you have to learn that Forex is not a get quick rich scheme. That's a mistake number one. Second thing is gambling. Gambling is all about risking more than what you can afford. The good thing is trading allow you to invest $100. Some other brokers allow you. Others trading with $500. Other trading with 100 plus Southern USD. So you have just a small, a very, very small account, but you may find yourself trading with one lot, trading with 0.1 lots, trading with a large lot size, which will harm your account. And most of the time, many traders find having a margin call. I remember the first time I was invested I was invested for my first live account. I remember having a margin call, and someone tell me, okay, you will have a margin call from the broker. Then I thought the broker have to call me, but the truth is, go and look on your MetaTrader 4. You'll answer me once time allow you to do so. Guys, the third thing to know as a mistake is jumping to live trade quick. We have a lot of people who train for a month, 3 months, 4 months, and then they jump to the market. I know we are quite different. A lot of people talk propaganda of IQ, but this is a game, guys. Forex doesn't count how many degrees you have, how many PhD you have, how many certificates you are holding in your house, or which school you have attended, whether it's Oxford or whatsoever. But this is a game. It's a mind game. It's something very different, and you have to know. It's a war. Someone needs your money. So you need to invest time. Make sure you have someone. If you have a mentor who is mentoring you, make sure he's making more money than you guys. That is the best way to choose anyone who will be your Forex mentor. You need to see someone live account. You need to see someone financial report. Someone can give you a good thing about Forex. If you ask someone to give you a live Forex report, trading report, they can give you. So you better look for someone who is more successful than you, someone with a long time in trading career, and people who are eager to show you, to criticize you, and showing you the right direction in trading. So avoid jumping to live trade so quick. Your Forex broker will never tell you not to open a live account. I know most of you are opening the demo account. The moment you open a demo account, you have to stay awake. You will feel and you will wait to see flooding of messages on how to open, flooding of emails coming to your email, a lot of emails for insisting you to open a live account. Why are they doing that? They're in business. In their business, it's to sell us. To sell us, you mean the platform, and the more you lose, the more they make money, the more they become rich. So you have to know that. The other thing, which is a mistake in Forex, is lacking of, trade with no trading plan. Trading without a trading plan is planning to fail in trading, because your trading plan will dictate everything which you have to do for just a day. If you have to trade 3 trades, to take 3 trades for just a week, your trading plan always will show which kind of the pair you have to trade, which amount, which lot size to use. Trading plan will dictate all that. So the moment you find you don't have any trading plan, guys, you are heading to the wrong direction in trading, and prepare yourself. The 5th mistake is overtrading. Overtrading is a killer. Leave other things, but overtrading is a poison in your trading career. You may think of other scammers, but the first scammer is yourself. You may think about market makers, but the first market maker sometimes it's you, because market makers are trading and you are trading. So who to blame? You don't have anyone to blame. So the more you overtrade, And the more you lose, you don't have a trading plan, you're over trading, because someone who is looking for major, on higher time frame will not over trade, because maybe they are looking for reversal, reversal pattern for, let's say, a weekly chart. Until you see a reversal pattern on weekly chart, sometimes it takes months. So over trading is a killer for your trading account. Avoid over trading. And if you're trading on intraday, make sure that you manage yourself. You have strict rules controlling you. You have written rules, and sometimes you need having someone who is not trading, someone who is frankly, and someone who is open to criticize you. Sometimes to monitor how you trade, how many trade. Stay committed to someone who can give you, open criticism and so forth. So avoid over trading. It's a bigger mistake. We did that before, and it cost us a lot of money. And the other mistake is copy and paste. Most of us, because we love the shortcut, as I say, this mistake will go the same with jumping live to trade. You don't love to read, you don't love to study, you don't love to invest your time to develop your trading strategy. You love to copy and paste. We have the ideas. Some people are manipulating others across social medias. They trade on the demo, on demo accounts. You see people trading millions, initiating you to do the same sometime, or they are selling you the ideas. They are selling you their, what they call holy grail strategies. Most of us tend to copy and paste from others, in which you don't know if someone is just sharing analysis, and then you jump because you do not do your work. You just need to do your homework if you are in trading, because in any business, you need to do some cost analysis of anything you are doing. So you need to close your accounts. And if in case of Forex, you need to invest your time to study. Study if it's financial. If you're trading, let's say Euro USD, you have to know maybe to get some few hints on what is happening for economy of European countries. And sometimes you need to know if you're a typical price action trader. Invest your time on analyzing the chart you are depending on. So guys, avoid copy and pasting. Be you in trading, because the first mistake you make is lacking confidence and not believing on yourself in trading. The other bigger mistake is using a lot of indicators, guys. Using complex strategies. People use a lot of indicators plus news. Someone reading every news, everyone saying this. You are looking Bloomberg, you are losing the BBC, everything. Everyone is an analyst, but not everyone is a trader. You have to know that. Guys, avoiding retrieving a lot of information, because a lot of information you are investing time to will make you confused. Depend on few variables so as you can make a critical decision, because it's your business. You don't have to listen to someone who is not a business person to give you advice about business, because they're in news business, they're in content business. So you remember, your money is on wire, and you are you're on live trade. So if you are trading with someone ideas, what to wait for? So avoid using indicators. Remember, indicators lag behind most of the time. It gives result very late. I'm telling you guys, indicators are the killers. Indicators sometimes suck. If you are using EMA, you are using Ichimoku, whatever, any kind of indicator, guys, you are better than you are right sometime, and your mind is bigger than using indicators. So you better invest yourself to develop a best trading methodology, which sometimes do not depend on indicators. Well, the other mistake which you make as a trader is overanalyzing. Guys, I'm repeating to say overanalyzing. A lot of people analyze too much. Spend a lot of time to analyze. Analyzing every news. analyzing fundamentals, analyzing sentiments, analyzing every candle, analyzing everything coming your way, analyzing what is happening around the world. Guys, you better go for journalism rather than trading. I'm saying that, I'm not kidding. Avoid overanalyzing because it will create fear for you. You better know that if you are trading levels, you have to know which level you are. If you're trading pattern, you have to know exactly which pattern always give you money, and repeat the same process because you will make out of it. That is all about overanalyzing. Avoid that because it gives you fear. And the other thing is lacking of trade routine. Most of us, trading routine, remember, maybe it could be an extension of a trading plan. Trading routine is about appearing on, it's about having a routine in which, if you're trading on a daily, on a daily chart, most of the time I have to look the close of the New York sessions. So the moment I came and look on the New York session, it gives me just a direction, just a clue on what's happened throughout the day. So you may find some of the people don't have that, they lack a trading routine. You don't spend your time over the weekend to analyze the whole trend of the week and to see the bigger picture, so you know exactly on Monday or on Tuesday where maybe you predict to get any signal or what to wait for. But because you just have your empty phone, your phone, every moment you feel you press a button, buy and sell, guys, will kill you because you are not investing your time. The last thing, the last but not least actually, is market revenge. Some people, once they lose money, for instance, you invested one lot and lose everything, your stop loss is just get hit, and then you think like, okay, because I've lost one lot, you go against your trading plan, you go against your trading system, then you go for two lots. The market is unknown. It's unknown battle sometimes. Anything can happen. You have to know that. You have to trade for unknown, and you may find sometimes losing the same trade or losing the other trade in which you have doubled your position size. So avoid revenging the market. The market have no any emotion, will kill you. Will kill you before you kill the market. People say we are going to kill the market. Guys, you don't have to. You will never kill a market, because who are you maybe? The other thing is people are too motivated, and I will talk about this as a last thing. Many traders are so motivated, and they are so motivated to get on top just overnight, but they lack discipline. But this is a mind game. We need to change that, because you better be disciplined rather than being motivated. You better lack motivation, but you are disciplined. Because being a disciplined trader, you will appear on your routine daily. You will focus on your trading journal. You will know your risky ratio, and you stay committed with. You will never jump to live trade if you are a beginner, because you have discipline to learn. You will never overtrade because you have a discipline of not overtrading. I have to take only 3 trades, so you have a discipline. You cannot exceed that level until you are satisfied with your capital, or maybe you have spotted the right opportunity, but you have discipline to remain silent in the moment in which you feel there is no any trade signal, I don't have to trade. So discipline is everything. Discipline dictates your trading career. Discipline dictates your vision. So make sure that you have discipline rather than being motivation. Motivation is like, I don't know actually, it's just a catalyst, but discipline is bigger than motivation. Because if you are disciplined, you don't need someone to motivate you. You are motivated already. So remember, this is a mind game. Forex is a mind game. Invest on your mind. And you have to know that the first enemy of your trading career is you. So change. change. Fight to change. Fight to change your attitude, and then your attitude will change. Until then, this is Bariki from Trading Africa. Wish you all the best on your trading career. And if you think like there is something missing from this video, please just comment, share, and help others around the world to do something out of it. Forex is the best career ever, but you need time. And time justify your future. Have a great time, and bye-bye.